This machine is the air cylinder open the table. Its table is very deep. It can vacuum press high height material. It can
这也是摆空件的，然后空件之后把这个压紧，压了之后，这个下来之后，它下来之后开始加温，它是到底之后才开始加温，那个是恒温的，那个是。
This table height is 400 millimeter. It can process curve size material. Like this curve size. This machine can make a mold. You can make a mold, then put the flat wood sheet on the mold. Then use this machine to press. Because we test this broken, but normally it is not broken. It's a good one. This is the C material to keep the table sealed. And after press this C table and press the cover down. Then we will back here. Because after the cover opens, the machine will start to heating. This temperature controller is used to set the temperature, and here is used to set the time. Once the cover is closed, the time is going to run. And this is the main power. This is the exhaust fan switch. It is used to cooling the electric. And this is the main heating, vacuum pump, and alarm, emergency stop, power indication. This is for the vacuum press button, and this is air blue.
这个是升降的，升降这个。
That is for up and down. Here is for air compressor connection to help the machine table up and down. Because this table downside is deep and the upside is also high, so its total material feeding height is 400 millimeter. The machine is support 380 voltage also.